loves, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel, Life as Danny. I'm super excited to have you here today. Hopefully you decide to stick around and subscribe. So I have a haul video kind of, but I am going to be unboxing two of my newest keyboard purchases. And then I got two other items. Just in love with keyboards. It's a big hobby of mine right now. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing these keyboards, then go ahead and just keep on watching. Alright, I'm just going to open this little box first. It is just a tool for me to use. Let's see. It's a keycap puller tool. And it's not like the ones that keyboards come with, so it's an actual really nice one. And I got her in pink, of course. So yeah, so you can pull the keycaps out with this, and then you're gonna pull the switches out, and then it spits it out. So I will be using her in the future, not today. And then I got this really cute beaded cord, so I can plug into the computer and then plug it into the keyboards. I don't know, I just thought it was really cute and fun. So got that. Let's just open the bottom one because it's really heavy. This is the Epo Maker Galaxy 70. It's 75%. It's hot swappable mechanical keyboard. One of these, which it's this one, I am definitely going to switch out the keycaps, which I have sitting right over here waiting for me to do that. So here's what this one looks like. She's really heavy. This box has extra switches, a keycap tool, extra keycaps, and then your standard basic USB to USB-C cord. So nice. It's an aluminum gasket. Yes, it's really cute, with the stock keycaps. Let's see how she sounds really quickly. Again, I bought this keyboard. Missed. I have my mom's dog. He's kind of like my dog, but whatever. So yeah, I bought this keyboard specifically to change out the keycaps, but it's still really cute. Sounds amazing. I cannot wait to use this. Let me turn my other one. Well, let's put it away, but not turn it off. Wow. And then it has a little knob over there. Okay, and then let's quickly open my last one because I want to change her out on camera with you guys. This is the Wamir SK80 Pro, and it's another 75% wireless keyboard. She's all pink and beautiful. So this one comes with a nice wrist pad. And it has a little kitty on there. I'll go ahead and move this out of the way for right now. And then here is the keyboard. It comes with extra switches. Comes with the USB-C cable. Keycap puller tool. Comes with the manual, and it comes with this really cute paw keycap, which I'm definitely going to put on. And then that's everything that's in the box. And then it comes with this cute kitty mouse pad. Let's go ahead and open. And let's go ahead and take off our sleeve. I am hoping this camera is doing this justice because she's gorgeous. Oh, her dongle's coming out, so I'll just put it back in. But yeah, and then she also has feet. She's super cute and small. So these are jelly keycaps. It looks phenomenal. Here I have this box, and it contains these really beautiful keycaps. So it's kind of like pink and beige keycaps, but I'm going to put them on here. Put them on here. So we'll do this together, and I'm also gonna film for TikTok. So she's all completed. I'm so excited about this project. And now for a sound test. I'm just messing with the light settings right now. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and also comment down below the little keyboard emoji so I know that you stayed till the end. Just trying to incorporate like my likes and my hobbies and my obsessions like on my channel, like I've always done. I've always done like haul videos, makeup haul videos, get ready with me, shop my stash, things like that. So I'll always have a love for makeup, but right now my current hobby and obsession is keyboards. So I really hope you guys enjoy it. I know it's a little nerdy, but I just can't help myself, so I am sharing that with you guys. Anyways, I love you guys, and as always, I will see you in my next video. Bye.